Hi students, good morning to all and welcome to online class. We already completed the unit 1 to 6. Now in this class we see the third standard term 3 unit 7 information processing. Okay, now the first topic is 7.1 quick way of adding. Okay, well now in this topic we learn about the how to add the numbers quickly. Okay, Mama, we perform addition of numbers in many situations daily in day by day life. Okay, in every situation we need a we do the addition, isn't it? No, now there are giving some tricks for that addition. Okay, Ma, the first point is using addition table is one of the good way to add small numbers. Now we can suppose we want to add the small numbers means we use the addition table. This is one of the good way. Okay, Mama, this is very easy to add the numbers. Okay, the second one is let us know some fact. Now below they are giving 4 fact of addition. The first fact is adding 0 to the number. Okay, va? Whenever we add a 0 to any number, okay, you already know that a number remains the same when you add 0 to it. Suppose we are adding any number to 0, we get what? Same number. For example, what, ma? For example, 5 plus 0, what? We are adding 5 to 0. We get a same number, isn't it? No. That only saying here. When you add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Okay, well, for example, here see. Complete the table. Here giving a box. Now we want to add a 1, 3, 4, 9 and many numbers here giving. First we want to add with the 0. Okay, va? First 1 plus 0 what? 1. Because we are adding with 0 means we get what? Same number. So 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 0, 3. This is the answer of addition. Okay, va? Now 4 plus 0, 4. 9 plus 0, 9. 12 plus 0, 12. 25 plus 0, 25. Okay, va? Okay, va? We adding with 0 means we get the same number. 25 plus 0 equal to 25. 73 plus 0 equal to 73. 86 plus 0 equal to 86. 325 plus 0 equal to 325. Same like that, 791 plus 0 equal to 791. 228 plus 0 equal to 228. 998 plus 0 equal to 998. Is that clear, ma? Okay, now the second fact is adding 1 to the number. Suppose same, I am taking the same number 5. Okay, now we want to adding 1 to the 5. Okay, va? 5 plus 1 what, ma? Very good, 6. So whenever we add 1 to the number, we get a what number, ma? What is the after number of 5? 6. So we get a after number. This is not at number, this is after number. Okay, va? When 1 is added to a number, it gives after number. Okay, va? 5 plus 1? Very good, 6. Okay, va? Because 6 is the after number of 5. Same like that, we are here doing the example. Okay, va? 1 plus 1. Now we adding 1 to this number. Now what is the answer? The after number of this number. Okay, va? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is the before 2 is the after number of 1. Okay, va? Now 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 is the after number of 3. Okay, va? Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is the after number of 4. Now what is the after number of 9? 10. So 10 is the answer. Okay, va? Now 12 plus 1. What is the after number of 12? 13. Now 25 plus 1. What is the after number of 25? 26. Okay. What is mean by after? The next number. Okay, va? Now 73 plus 1. What is the next number of 73? 74. Now 86 plus 1. What is the next number? 87. Okay, va? Same like that for all. Next 325 plus 1. What is the next number of 325? Very good. 326. Okay, now 228 plus 1. What is the next number of 228? 229. Here 998 plus 1 equal to 999. Okay, va? Now the next third fact is adding 2 to the number. Now here also we take the same number 5. Okay, va? 5 plus, now we want to add a number 2. So what is the answer, ma? 5 plus 2 what? Very good, 7. Now here giving, see, when 2 is added to the number jump or skip over 2. Okay, va? Whenever a number added to the number 2, it gives what? Skip over 2 next. Okay, va? Say 5 after 2 number 6, 7. Okay, va? The number jump over the 2 numbers are. Okay, same like that here. Plus 2. First 1 plus 2. Say 1 after 2 number. 2, 3. The number jump after 2 so 3. Next 3 plus 2. 5. 4 plus 2. 6. So 4 after 2 number jump means which number comes? 6. 5, 6. Okay, va? Next 9 plus 2. Say 9 after 2 number 10, 11. So 11. Put the 11 here. Next 12 plus 2. Say 12 after 2 number 13, 14. Okay, next 25 plus 2. 25 after 2 number 26, 27. Okay, same like that for all. Okay. Okay, well, same like that for all. Here see 325 plus 2. Say 325 after 2 number. 25, 26, 27. So 327. Okay. Next 791 plus 2 what? Say 791 after 2 number. 92, 93. Okay, so 793. Next 228 plus 2 what? Say 228 after 2 number 29, 30. So 230. 928 plus 2 what? 999. Next 1000. Okay, va? Next fourth fact. Adding 10 to the number. Whenever we add an 10 to any number. Now we take the same number 5. 5 plus, now we adding the number 10 to that. Okay, va? It gives, when 10 is added to a number, its ones place remains same. Okay, va? Ones place gives the same number. Okay, va? First we put ones tens. For 10, 0 is 1. The before number is tens. Okay, va? Now here having only one number, so only ones place. Okay, va? Its ones place same. So what is the ones place, ma? 5. So put the 5. 5 is ones place is same. And digit in tens place. What is the tens place? Nothing, ah. So nothing means what? 0. Isn't it, no? So tens place is increased by 1. Increased means plus addition. Okay, va? Now 0 plus 1 what? 1. So 15 is the answer. Understood? I am giving another one example, ma. For example, I am putting 3. 3 plus 10. Okay, va? Now what is the answer? First put ones tens. Ones tens. Here having only one number, so ones. Okay, va? Ones place same, so what is the ones number? Only you want to look at this number only. Okay, va? Ones place is 3. So put the 3 same. Okay, and the tens place increased by 1. Now here there is no tens place, So consider 0 here. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 13 is the answer. Okay, understood? Now here see. 1 plus 10, 11. Okay, well, 1's place remains same. Okay. And 10's place is increased by 1. Here there is no number. So 0 plus 1, 1. Same like that. 1's place remains same. And 10's place is increased by 1. Here there is no 10's place. So consider 0 here. So 0 plus 1, 1. Same like that. 1's place remains same. The 10's place increased by 1. Same like that. 1's place remains same. 10's place increased by 1. Here Seema. Here the 2-digit number also put 1's, 10's. Okay, well, 1's place remains same. What is the 1's place? 2. So put 2. The 10's place increased by 1. That is plus 1. Here already having 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So put 2 here. Okay, well. Now this is 1's, 10's. 1's place remains same. So 5. Put the 5 same. 10's place increased by 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, well, now we want to add plus 1 in 10's place. Same like that here. 1's place remains same. 10's place increased by 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. Here 1's place remains same. 10's place increased by 1 means 8 plus 1, 9. Here see the 3-digit number. So the last number 1's, 10's, 100. Okay, va? Listen carefully, ma. We put the same number in 1's place. 1's place remains same. So 5, 5. The 10's place only what? Increased by 1. Na? So what is the 10's place? 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Here not saying about the 100 place. So put the same number 3. Okay, well, same like that. Only 10's place only changing, ma. Same like that. 1's place remains same. The 10's place increased by 1 means what? 9 plus 1, 10. Isn't it? No. So put last number 0 here and put 1 remainder here. Okay, va? So 8 plus 1. Sorry, ma. 7 plus 1, 8. Understood? 1's place remains same, ma. 10's place is 9. So we want to add 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. We putting the last number 0 here and 1 remainder. Okay, va? Because 10 is 2-digit number, no. Now we want to add this new number. 7 plus 1, 8. Same like that. 1's place remains same. The 10's place is increased by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. The 100 place, put the same number. Same like that here. The 1's place remains same. The 10's place increased by 1 means 9 plus 1, 10. So put 0 here, 1 remainder. 9 plus 1, 10. So put the 10 here. Now what is the answer? 1008. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now take the next page. Third point is finding the pair of 10. Okay, well, pair means what? Okay, the set of two numbers is called pair. Isn't it? No. Okay. Now we want to finding the pair of 10. When the set of numbers are given to add. Okay. In a before classes, we only added just 2 number. Isn't it? No. That means 3 plus 5, 35 plus 25. Just 2 numbers only we are adding, no. But in this class, we are adding the lot of numbers. In that situation, we want to find the, okay, we shall find the pair of numbers gives the sum 10. Sum means what? Addition. Okay. Now we want to find out which number adding, it gives the answer 10. Okay, well, for example, find the sum. Sum means nothing, ma. Sum means also what? Addition only. Okay, find the sum of 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. Now we want to finding the pair of 10. Okay, 4 plus 6 means it gives 4 plus 6 what, ma? Very good, 10. Okay, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Okay, now we pairing this two number, and which is the remaining numbers, ma? What are the remaining numbers having? 7 and 3. Now we add 7 and 3 means what is the answer? 7 after 3 number 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 also 10. Okay, wow. Now this two number it gives 10 and this two number gives 10. Now 10 plus 10 equal to what? 20. So what is the sum of this number? 20. Understand? Same like that here. Find the sum of 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7. Now we want to finding the pair of 10. We already know that 6 plus 4 equal to what? 10. Okay, wow. 6 plus 4, 10 na. Now what are the remaining numbers? 5, 3, 2. Isn't it? No. Now this is one set, and here see 5 plus 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 what? 5. Now 5 plus 5? 10. Okay, wow. Now this 3 number it gives 10 and this 2 number gives 10. So here see 6 plus 4 equal to 10, comma 5 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 10. Now 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Now what is the sum of this number? What is the answer? 20. Okay, wow. Same like that here giving the exercise, ma. Find the sum of 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 9. Now we want to find the pair of 10. Okay, wow. Which two numbers gives 10? Very good. 5 plus 5 equal to 10, na? So write here 5 plus 5 equal to 10. And what are the remaining numbers? 9 plus 1. Isn't it? No. So what is it? 9 plus 1 equal to dash 10. Isn't it? No. So 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Now what is the final answer? 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Now 20 is the answer. Understood? Same like that here. 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1. Now we already know that 5 plus 5 equal to what? 10. Now what are the remaining numbers? 2 plus 7 plus 1. Isn't it? No. Now 7 plus 1 what? 8. 8 plus 2? 10. So 2 plus 7 plus 1 equal to 10. Now what is the final answer? 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Understood? Now here see the third question. 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8. Now you itself find the pair of 10, ma? Very good. 8 plus 2 equal to 10, na? 8 plus 2 what? 8 after 2 number 9 and 10. So 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Now what are the remaining numbers? 3, 6, 1. 6 plus 1 what? 7. 7 plus 3? 7 after 3 number 8, 9, 10. So this 3 number gives 10. So write here 3 plus 6 plus 1 equal to 10. Now what is the final answer? 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Understood, Amma? That's all. This is only what? Finding the pair of 10. Understood? Now the fourth topic is doubling. Okay, va? Doubling means nothing, ma. This topic is same like that. What? Multiplication fact. Okay, va? The first point is we shall double the number. Double means what? 2. Isn't it? No. The number 2 is called what? Double. We shall double the number when we add the same number twice. When we add the same number 2 times, we shall using the doubling process. For example, see 5 plus 5. We are adding the same number 2 times. Twice means what? 2 times. What is the meaning of twice, ma? 2 times. Okay, va? Now here adding that same number 2 times. 5 plus 5. So we using the doubling process. Doubling means what? 2. Okay, va? Now what is the multiplication factor of 5 plus 5? What is the number given here? 5. 5 how many times giving? 1, 2. So 2 times 5 is given. So 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are what? 10. So 5 plus 5 also what? 10 only. Understood? So it also gives a 10. This also gives a answer 10. Okay, well, same like that. So second question. 7 plus 7. Here also adding the same number 2 times. Now we do the doubling process. Doubling means what? Yes, multiply by 2. Okay, wow, doubling means nothing. Multiply by 2. Okay, wow, here. How many times the 7 is given? 1, 2. So 2 times multiply the 7 is given. So 2 7s are. 2 multiply by 7. So 2 7s are what? 14. So 2 7s are 14. 7 plus 7 also what? 14 only. Okay, wow, both giving the same answer only. Okay, wow, this is the first one. The second method is we shall also use doubling when we add the nearer number. Okay, wow. When we add the nearest number, here also we using the doubling process. Okay, wow. For example, see 5 plus 6. 5 and 6 is the nearest number in a number sequence, isn't it? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6 are nearest number. Okay. Now we taking the number 5 and do the doubling. Okay, wow. Doubling means what? Multiply by 2. So 2 multiply 5. You just putting 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, wow. And 6 is the after number of 5, isn't it? No. So put plus 5 because this is the after number. So put plus 1. Okay, wow. I am once again saying 5 and 6 is the nearest number. So in this situation also we using the doubling process. Okay, wow. Doubling means nothing, just multiply by 2. Okay, wow. So we are using the doubling process. So I am putting 2 multiplication. Now I am taking the number 5. Okay, and putting 5. Okay, wow. 6 is the after number of 5, isn't it? No. So I am putting plus 1. Okay, wow. And then 2 5s are 10. So 10 plus 1 I am putting here. So 10 plus 1, 11. So 5 plus 6 also what? 11. 11 is the answer. Understood? Same like that. 4 plus 5. Here also I am taking the number 5. Okay, what? Doubling means 2 multiplication. The number 5 is I am taking. So put number 5. Okay, now in this situation, 4 is the before number, isn't it? No. So before number means I am putting minus 1. Here is the after number, so I am putting plus symbol. Here this is a 4 is a before number, so I am putting minus 1. Okay, wow. Now 2 5s are 10, minus 1 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 what? 9. So 4 plus 5 equal to what? 9. Understood, Amma? Okay. Now in this class it's enough, ma. Just to complete the book exercise. If you have any doubt means ask to me. I will clarify in your next class. Okay, mama. Complete your book exercise. Thank you, ma.